this is Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com. Thanks for being here. Today we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how to get started. But before we do that, if this is your first time to my channel, I'd love for you to consider subscribing. And if you do, hit that little bell next to that subscribe button and you'll get my videos each and every week as soon as they're released. So let's get into this because I love this topic about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, you are partnering with a company to sell, share their products or services. So kind of what does that look like? It's really no different than you going to a restaurant or you going to a movie or you going to a great resort on vacation, and then you come home and you turn around and share it with your friends or family, and they get excited and then go to that restaurant or that resort or that movie, but you don't get paid. So with affiliate marketing, you earn a commission. So affiliate marketing is essentially leveraging the company's product or services for you to earn a commission, therefore income. What I love about it is we do it all the time, right? You're always constantly talking about what you like and what you don't like and what's working and what's not working, and it just becomes natural. It's just stuff you're talking about. So why not get paid, right? That's how I looked at it when I first saw this. It was like, wow, how do people get paid? Because I had first heard about Amazon. That was the first time I had heard a friend of mine make money from selling something on Amazon. I'm like, how does that work? And after that explanation, I was like, wow, that's pretty interesting. Why not do that? You know, we exchange money for services. Why not figure out a way to get paid for a product and service you'd love to talk about and share? So that was a big aha for me, and that's what started me looking at the affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online marketing space, because it's an opportunity to be a part of something that is relatively inexpensive, sometimes most of the time free to get started, but it allows you to leverage your time because you can do it from home. You don't have to go to a job. You don't have to, you can do it 24/7 home, and you can reach people all over the world. So it's a great way to leverage your time once you have the skills to be able to share someone else's product or service. So the second thing you got to do is you got to find a company, right? So finding a company product that you get excited about. That's another part of what affiliate marketing is. And when you get started, you then you go to that company, you find that company, you see if they have an affiliate program, and you sign up, and you're going to be given a link that's trackable, that's coded to you. I think Amazon, you're tracked and coded for 24 hours. So if I were using your link and I went on Amazon, and let's say I wanted to buy a blender for a new smoothie drink I want to make, and then in addition to that, I'm getting healthy, I'm going to buy a medicine ball, and I'm going to buy a yoga mat. If I'm buying that within a 24-hour period, you would earn commission off of the things I'm purchasing in that 24-hour commission time frame as I've been cookie to you. So there's cookies and that's the beauty of an affiliate link, is that it's cookie to you. Some they're 30 days and some are 24 hours. It just depends on the company and the product or service you're selling, and that would be something you would need to find out the details from whatever company you decide to promote. So that's really important. So just find the product or service, see if you can find the company that has that program that you're looking for. I think just about everybody and their brother has affiliates and affiliate programs anymore. I mean, so there's lots of opportunities, so don't let that stop you. And if you have any questions, you can certainly put a comment below, and I will help you kind of navigate that for you for sure. But what's cool about the link too is you're gonna, when you sign up with an affiliate program, you are going to either give an email address. You'll have to set up a PayPal account. Some companies will pay you with direct deposit. Some very few anymore, I don't think, do hard checks anymore in the mail because it's just costly. They're going to take more money out of your commission if you decide to do that. PayPal is, there's so many now money payment links out there that you can use. PayPal is by far the most popular, and that's how I'm paid for most of my affiliates that I'm working with. So be prepared to set that up. And also, it's the beautiful part about being an affiliate to an affiliate marketing in an affiliate marketing company program within a company is that there's no risk for you, right? Think about this. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to create a service. You don't have to put any money into research for a product or service. You don't have to put any time into a product or service. There's zero risk, right? Zero risk. And this is where the leverage becomes really cool, because you haven't had to put up front any of the money, the cost, all the processes, the systems, the design, the anything for this product or service that you're going to promote. I mean, it's been done for you. All you now do is go out and share. And, and that gives you the opportunity to then make a commission, which is just, it's what is fantastic. That's why I think affiliate marketing, if you get started in on the right foot with the right company and the product, you're going to make some money because you're excited about it and you love it, right? You don't want to sell something you haven't used, you haven't bought, you don't understand. It's just not going to work, because people are going to come back to you. You might set up a capture page or a little blog, or you might make a posting someplace, and somebody might come back to you and say, hey, I use that, but it doesn't work for me. How'd you get it to work? Well, you need to be able to answer that. It's only smart to be an affiliate and use the products or services that you are promoting. Some people try to take the cheap way out and not buy it and then turn around and market it. And yeah, you can, but at the end of the day, it's smart to be a user of that product or service that you are promoting. And as far as the next steps, what you need to do, if this is of interest to you, if you are that person who might be looking for a side hustle, or looking for a side gig, or looking for some money for college, or to pay off college tuition, or looking for retirement, or to buy a new car, or pay some bills, then you need to do some research to find the right company and the right product that you can really get behind and get excited about, and then decide how you're going to share it. Because once you get started, you are then going to need to promote that link. And some people will promote links on various platforms like Facebook and social media. They might have a blog. They might set up a capture page. It might be YouTube, a video just like this. There's lots of ways to share a link and get that link out there. But the beauty of being an affiliate marketer when you get started is, I would start with one company and maybe one or two products and get familiar and comfortable sharing, and then you can add more. There are affiliate marketers out there who are promoting lots of products and services, making hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars a year, because people continually buy products from them, and they've become an expert at how to do that. And people then rely on them for information and to get on how to get started, and what to get started, and where to get started. And some of those people might even go on to make their own products or services and turn around and then set up an affiliate program for themselves. But for you right now, for that person maybe considering affiliate marketing, it's just a great place to get started online, and it's an easy start. So that's what I wanted to share today, kind of what affiliate marketing is, kind of how to get started. It's not hard. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about why affiliate marketing is great for newbies getting started online for the first time. So thanks again for being here. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up, a like, comment, share what you're marketing, what you like. If you're having any issues, love to help out. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks so much.